This lesson is on relations and functions, and how do you determine whether a relation is a function. A function is a relation that pairs each domain, or x, with exactly one range, or y. This can be found using a diagram map or the vertical line test. Function notation, that's just a fancy way of writing y, or f of x. Could be g of q. It's a function of input. Now, a relation is a set of ordered pairs that come in bracers, or those squiggle brackets where they're paired as x's and y's. Ordered pairs are x comma y, or we might look at it as x comma f of x if we were being a little fancier. These always come in alphabetical order. Now, a mapping diagram is where we would list all of the domains in the order that they come and all of the ranges in the order that they come. We would then take each domain and point an arrow at its range number. So in this case, where the domain is 1, 2, 3 and the range is 4, 5, 6, and 7, 1 gives an output of 5 and 7, 2 gives an output of 4, 3 gives an output of 6. Since 1 has two ranges, it would not be a function. Tables are useful for collecting data, and it's important to remember that x can be known as the input, the domain, and it is also the independent variable. Y, or f of x, is the output, or range values. It could also be known as the dependent variable. Graphs are the most useful picture in math to see an equation. It has 4 quadrants, and in each quadrant we can see that the x or y value will change from being positive or negative by its location. It has 4 quadrants, starting in the upper right where x and y are positive and moving counterclockwise. Now, the vertical line test, that's if a vertical line passes through the graph more than once, the graph is not a function. Here we have some sample graphs, and we're going to use a vertical line to pass from left to right, and when it crosses the graph in 2 spots, it is not a function. As we see, the line does give us a function, and this C shape, that crosses twice, so it is not a function, but this N shape, which is a parabola, is a function. We must graph in order to use the vertical line test. It is the easiest way for us to see if a relation is a function. If this video has been helpful, please like or share. And if you have any questions or comments, they go below.